To big news that we're tracking as far as the Sandeshkhali case is concerned, where the situation is simmering ahead of the polls. In terms of the case, the attack on ED officials, remember, where now the Supreme Court has turned down the urgent hearing demand. Now, remember earlier, the Mamata government had challenged the CBI probe in the top court, and the Bengal government in Supreme Court said transferring probe to the Central Bureau of Investigation is wrong. The Bengal government has said the SIT investigating the case, that is. So we are picking up the significant development that is coming in as far as what has transpired here, that there is, of course, clearly no urgent hearing that has been granted as of now, although the West Bengal government did mention the matter seeking urgent hearing. So there is no immediate hearing that has been granted. What we also know so far is that Justice Sanjeev Khanna has said that they will place the matter before the CGI fall listing. But as far as the comments that were made earlier with the West Bengal government challenging this particular case is the fact that they did state that transferring the probe to CBI is wrong. My colleague Harish joins me for the latest. Harish, a very good morning. Significant legal development that is coming in. What can you tell us on what grounds was this overturned?
Yes, that's right. Today morning, when the court assembled, Abhishek Mani Singhvi, senior advocate appearing for the West Bengal government, mentioned its appeal filed against yesterday's Calcutta High Court order by which it had transferred the probe to CBI. And today, however, the Justice Sanjeev Khanna did not specify a date or time as to whether the West Bengal government will be given an urgent hearing or not. At this juncture, Abhishek Mani Singhvi said that a decision had to be taken because otherwise the deadline for handing over the probe and handing over the main accused Sheikh by the West Bengal police to the CBI was 4:30 p.m. yesterday, and till now he has not been handed over, and the government might be hauled up for contempt. But however, Justice Sanjeev Khanna said that a decision regarding urgent hearing is always taken by the Chief Justice of India. Today, in fact, the matter could not be mentioned before the Chief Justice because, as per rules, no mentioning for urgent listing is can be made before a constitution bench, and the Chief Justice was sitting before a constitution bench. So, as of now, the Justice Sanjeev Khanna has merely given an assurance that the matter will be listed, but has not specified any time whether the matter will be heard today or a time or a date has been given, but just a mere assurance that the matter will be listed, but no assurance has been given to West Bengal government as far as time, that is whether the matter will be taken up today or not, or a later date. Nothing has been given. Singhvi has just been told that the matter will be listed and the issue will be taken up with the Chief Justice of India. The files will be placed before the Chief Justice of India, who has to take a call whether an urgent hearing has to be given or not. So in a way, in the appeal, in fact, the West Bengal government has said that too short a deadline has been given to the government to hand over the probe to CBI, and that is against no court can extinguish right to appeal. Adverse inference against state government by High Court, totally misconceived. Remember, in the judgment, the High Court had said that this is a perfect case for handing over to CBI because there is clear evidence that the West Bengal government has colluded with the main accused, and he had absconded for 50 days, and the state government was hand in glove with them, with the main accused, and had helped and in fact taken steps to delay the investigation. So the Supreme Court, in fact the Calcutta High Court had clearly said that this is a classic case for handing over to CBI because there is clear evidence of the West Bengal government and West Bengal police colluding with the accused,
right, Harish.
and the confidence of the people in the manner in which the West Bengal government has gone around with the investigation does not inspire confidence. So several stinging observations were made by the High Court while handing over the probe to CBI, and the West Bengal government has questioned each of these remarks.
Absolutely, Harish. As you put things into context for us, legally speaking, what were the remarks made? And of course, like you mentioned, the arguments as well. But we'll of course keep coming back to you as to see how this is going to to further pan out legally speaking, but for the moment, I'd have to leave it at that.